Welcome, it's Angel, and this is going to be another glamping recording. I'm going to make some campfire cookies. Okay, so here we have it, campfire cookies. No Dutch oven, just a cookie sheet above a campfire. Very low flame. Mostly just like the hot coals from the wood. We used pine wood. I cooked them very slowly. I turned the pan a couple of times, like clockwise or counterclockwise, to rotate it. And then about halfway through, like a pancake, I flipped it. I flipped them. So here we have it. Chocolate chip cookies on a campfire. No Dutch oven, no camp oven, no brick oven, just a cookie sheet. Have a cookie. No cookie?
No, thank you. Can I steal this last hot dog to use as fish bait?
You don't have to steal, honey. You can have it.
But stealing's fun. Now I don't want it.
He was kidding.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yum, yum!
Cookie time.
It's hot. Very hot, right off the fire.
Wow. Those were good. Thanks, Kevin.